Hi, welcome friends. Uh, let us start with last rule, and that is chain. dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dz. This is chain rule. Now, how to apply? Please look on the board. Sum number 17. Already we have calculated. Now, easy and shortcut. You are given 1 upon 1 minus x. Agree? Then you can write 1 minus x raised to minus 1. Now you have to assume u is equal to 1 minus x. That's why this function will be written like y is equal to u raised to minus 1. Now, by simple law, dy upon du is equal to minus 1 du or u raised to minus 2. Directly you can write, assume that this is x, then minus 1 u raised to minus 2. Now putting u is equal to 1 minus x back, then minus 1 minus x raised to minus 2. This is result number 1, and this is du upon dy upon du. This is dy upon du. Now you have assumed that u is equal to 1 minus x. That is 1 minus x. Du upon dx is equal to minus 1. Now as per rule, dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. What is dy upon du? Result number 1, and that is minus 1 minus x is to minus 2, and du upon dx is minus 1. Therefore, it will be minus minus plus 1 minus x is to minus 2, or instead of this you can write 1 upon 1 minus x square. This is chain rule. Same, sum number 20. 1 upon 2x plus 3 is given, y is equal to, therefore you can write y is equal to 2x plus 3 all raised to minus 1. First, you have to assume that u is equal to 2x plus 3. Therefore, this function will be y is equal to u raised to minus 1. dy upon du is equal to minus 1 u raised to minus 2. Now, putting value of u will get minus 1. What is u? U means 2x plus 3 u raised to minus 2. This is result number 1. Now you have assumed that u is equal to, therefore du upon dx will be 2. Now what is the rule? Dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. This it means result number 1 and result number 2. What is result number 1? Minus 1 into 2x plus 3 all raised to minus 2 into bracket result number 2 is 2, 2 ones are 2 minus 2, 2x plus 3 all raised to minus 2, that is minus 2 divided by 2x plus 3 all square is your answer. Please note down. Now next sum number, and that is 23. X plus 3 2x plus 1. Please look on the board, my dear friend. Instead of this, you can write x plus 3 into 2x plus 1 is to minus 1. It is similar to previous sum. Are you getting? It is similar to previous sum. Okay? Now, dy upon dx is equal to, what is dy upon dx? It means derivative of x 1 plus this will be coefficient. It means 3 into minus 1 2x plus 1 all raised to minus 2. Now derivative of bracket value, and that is 2. It means 1 plus 3 into minus 1 into 2. It will be minus 6. 2x plus 1 all raised to minus 2. Taking this in a denominator, then it will be written like, and this is your answer. Same method, I repeat, by same method, sum number 17. Look, this is shortcut method. Just we have calculated this sum and is equal to, we can write 1 minus x is to minus 1. No need to write chain rule, directly you can solve. તમારે વિકલનનો સાંકળનો નિયમ લખવાની કોઈ જ જરૂરિયાત રહેતી નથી. તમે ડાયરેક્ટ વિકલન કરી શકો છો. જો આ રીતે dy upon dx is equal to, this will be coefficient. Coefficient means minus 1, 1 minus x is to minus 2. Agree? Do you have any doubt? Okay friends? Now derivative of bracket value, and that is x નું વિકલન શું થાય 0 અને minus x નું minus x નું minus a. So answer will be minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus x, and it will be, are you getting same answer? Check it, please check it. Same for 20, same for 20. y is equal to 1 upon 2x plus 3. ઓકે યસ ફ્રેન્ડ એટલે પહેલા શું કરવાનું ઉપરની જેમ લખી નાખો એટલે ડિનોમિનેટર માંથી ન્યુમરેટર માં લાવો મીન્સ you have to write y is equal to 2x plus 3 all raised to minus 1 એની જે ઘાત હોય એ ઘાત માઈનસ થઈ જાય ન્યુમરેટર માંથી ડિનોમિનેટર માં કે ડિનોમિનેટર માંથી ન્યુમરેટર માં જાય એટલે જે પાવર હોય પાવર નું સાઇન બદલાઈ જાય you have to change the sign of power okay so dy upon dx is equal to minus 1 2x plus 3 all raised to minus 2 ઉપર કર્યું તું એ જ કામ અહીંયા કર્યું હવે શું કરવાનું કૌંસનું વિકલન તો કૌંસમાં જે કિંમત છે 2x 3 એનું વિકલન થશે 2 -1 * 2 means -2 divided by મેં હમણાં જ કીધું કે અંશમાંથી છેદમાં કે છેદમાંથી અંશમાં જાય એટલે શું થાય ઘાતનું ચિહ્ન બદલાઈ જાય એટલે આ -2 છે એના બદલે +2 થઈ જશે રાઈટ ધીસ ઇઝ યોર આન્સર પ્લીઝ નોટ ડાઉન માય ડિયર ફ્રેન્ડ now sum number 28 sum number 28 y is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 7 upon 2 minus x yes friend dy upon dx is equal to derivative of 1 is 0 because it is a constant derivative of 2x is 2 because derivative of x is 1 1 into 2 will be 2 now 2 3s are 6x plus 7 into -1 2 minus x raised to -2 into -1 do you understand this point no look you can write this term as y is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 7 into 2 minus x raised to -1 now try to understand I have directly calculated this so you may put in a trouble but I think right now you can understand look 1 0 2x 2 3 2s are 6x 7 is a coefficient again -1 will be coefficient 7 into -1 that is -7 2 minus x is to -2 into -1 got it yes now 2 plus 6x 7 minus 1 and -1 it will be 7 2 minus x is to -2 and final answer this is answer got it next sum number 29 first of 29 y no 2x plus 1 into y plus 3 is equal to 12 yes my dear friend how to solve can you say how to solve yes do you have any idea please explain try to understand how to solve got it Think over. Again, I am giving you little bit time. You have to find dy upon dx. That's why y should be dependent variable. Therefore, taking this term in a denominator on right hand side. So y is equal to 12 upon 2x plus 1 minus 3. Can I write? Are you getting? Check it. Again I explain. Again, please look here. This is original function. Now you have to find dy upon dx. તમારે dy upon dx શોધવા છે. હવે dy upon dx શોધવા હોય તો y ને ડિપેન્ડન્ટ વેરિયેબલ બનાવવું પડે, રાઈટ? તો ડિપેન્ડન્ટ વેરિયેબલ બનાવવા માટે y ને ત્યાંના ત્યાં રહેવા દઈએ, y + 3 ત્યાંનું ત્યાં રહ્યું. હવે આ જમણી બાજુ લઈ જાવ તો જમણી બાજુ લઈ જવું હોય તો એને ડિનોમિનેટરમાં લઈ જવું પડે. કેમ? ઇટ ઇઝ a in a term of product. ગુણાકારમાં છે, બંને મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશનનો સંબંધ છે બે ચલ વચ્ચે, રાઈટ? હવે now taking these 3 on this side શું થશે? +3 છે, ડાબી બાજુથી જમણી બાજુ જાય તો you have to change his sign. Okay, its sign. That's why y is equal to 12 upon 2x plus 1 minus 3. Again apply mathematics. Y is equal to, you can write 2x plus 1 raised to minus 1 minus 3. Now it becomes very simple sum. Otherwise you have to apply rule of division with cross multiplication and so on. But instead of this, now you can solve this sum very easily. You have to find dy upon dx. Just as a previous sum, minus 1 will be coefficient. It means 12 into minus 1 minus 12, 2x plus 1 raised to minus 2. It is not answer. It is a not answer. So what you have to do? Again derivative of bracket value, and that is 2 minus 0. Why minus 0? It is a 0 of derivative of constant value. So final answer minus 12 into 2 minus 24, 2x plus 1 all raised to minus 2. Minus 24 divided by 2x plus 1 all raised to 2 is your answer. Thank you. Please note down. Next sum. Now I am writing some results on board. They are to be taken as a granted. As we know y is equal to x raised to n, then dy upon dx is equal to nx raised to n minus 1, where n is a rational value, any rational number. Okay, then y is equal to e raised to x, then dy upon dx will be same. Then y is equal to log e raised to x, then dy upon dx is equal to 1, and y is equal to log x, then dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon x, and last term y is equal to a raised to x, then dy upon dx is equal to a raised to x log e base a. These are the result to be taken as a granted. Where a is a positive number. Yes, friends. Sum number 30, first of 30, x raised to y is equal to x raised to 11 log x. Please look here. What rule we will apply here? Yes, friend. Can you explain? Look, this is u and this is v. U means x raised to 11 and v is equal to log x. That's why divide upon du upon dx is equal to 11 x raised to 10 and dv upon dx is equal to, yes, dv upon dx is equal to log x નું વિકલન શું થાય 1 upon x. It is there. So what is the rule of multiplication? Dy upon dx is equal to u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx. U means x raised to 11 and dv upon dx means 1 upon x plus v. V means log x and du upon dx is 11 x raised to 10. X cancel. It means x raised to 10 plus 11 x raised to 10 log x. You can take x raised to 10 as a common factor. 1 plus 11 log x is your answer. Same third of 30, that is y is equal to 5 raised to x into x raised to 5. U is equal to 5 raised to x and v is equal to x raised to 5. Yes, friend. Du upon dx, what will be? Yes. According to last theorem, it will be 5 raised to x log e base 5 and dv upon dx is equal to 5 x raised to 4. What is the rule of multiplication? Dy upon dx is equal to u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx. U means 5 raised to x, dv upon dx 5 x raised to 4 plus v means x raised to 5 and du upon dx 5 raised to x log e base 5. Try to understand, please check it. Yes, friend. Right? Now, do you get any common factor? X raised to 4, x raised to 4, 5 raised to x, 5 raised to x. So 5 raised to x into x raised to 4 as a common factor, then these two will be outside. 5 plus x into log e base 5 is your answer. Please note down. Please, friend. Now next. Fourth of 30. Y is equal to x raised to 3 upon 2 e raised to x. U is equal to x raised to 3 upon 2 and v is equal to e raised to x. Du upon dx is equal to 3 upon 2 x raised to 1 upon 2 and dv upon dx is equal to, according to this, number 2. If you are given with y is equal to e raised to x, then dy upon dx will be remain same. Okay. Now what is it? Rule of multiplication. Dy upon dx is equal to u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx. U, what is u? X raised to 3 upon 2 dv upon dx, and that is e raised to x, plus v means e raised to x du upon dx 3 upon 2 x raised to 1 upon 2. Can we cancel anything? No, you cannot cancel anything. Okay, but you can take as a common factor. What is that value? X raised to 1 upon 2 and e raised to x. તમે x ની અડધી ઘાત બહાર કાઢો છો એટલે આ અને આ બહાર જશે, તો અહીંથી કેટલા રહેશે? x ની ઉપર ડોટ ઘાત છે, એમાંથી અડધી ઘાત બહાર કાઢી તો એક ઘાત રહે. That's why you have to write x raised to 1 means x plus what will be answer? આ બંનેમાંથી x રહ્યો અને અહીંયાથી આ બે જાય તો plus 3 upon 2. This may be your answer, or you can write x raised to 1 upon 2 e raised to x 2 into x 2x plus 3 upon 2. That is the 2 answer. You can write these two. Now second of 30. There is a 3 variant u, v and w. That's why y is equal to e raised to x into x square into log x. I am going very slow. Please so cooperate me. U means e raised to x, v is equal to x square and w is equal to log x. Are you agree? Yes, friend. Okay. Now du upon dx will remain same according to number 2. According to number 2, principle number 2, dv upon dx it will be 2x according to principle number 1. dw upon dx log x નું વિકલન કેટલું થશે? 1 upon x according to that. Now dy upon dx is equal to uv dw upon dx plus uw dv upon dx plus vw du upon dx. You are familiar with this formula. previously we have calculated some example depend on this rule. Okay, u and v. What is u and v? E raised to x and v is x square. dw upon dx, that is 1 upon plus uw. U means e raised to x and w means log x. dv upon dx, that is 2x plus vw. V means x square and w means log x, and du upon dx is e raised to x. Please check it. Please, my dear friend, do you have any doubt? Please check it. Okay. Now, can you cancel anything or add anything? Yes. This is square value and this is x. So, you can write x into e raised to x. These two will be cancelled. Now, 2x into e raised to x log x plus x square into e raised to x log x. Can you take as a common factor anything? Yes, x and e raised to x everywhere. So x into e raised to x, this will be plus 1 plus 2 log x plus x gone outside, so x log x. This is answer. Please note down, my dear friend. Completed, friends? Do fast, please. Do fast little bit. Now may I rub it? Thank you. Now fifth of sum 30. Y is equal to x cube into 3 raised to x into log x. U is equal to x cube, V is equal to 3 raised to x, and W is equal to log x. du upon dx will be 3x square. dv upon dx is 3 raised to x log e base 3 according to last principle. dw upon dx is 1 upon x. dy upon dx is equal to uv dw upon dx plus uw dv upon dx plus vw du upon dx. uv, u means x cube and v means 3 raised to x. dw upon dx 1 upon x plus uw, u means x cube, w means log x. dv upon dx, what is dv upon dx? 3 raised to x log e base 3 plus vw, v means 3 raised to x and w means log x. du upon dx, it will be 3x square. Yes, friend. Can you cancel anything? X and x cube. Therefore, 3 raised to x into x square plus x cube into log x into 3 raised to x log e base 3 plus 3 raised to x into log x 3 into x square. Please check it. Is it okay? Please check it. Getting same? Okay, very good. Now taking these two as a common factor, x square 3 raised to x 1 x into log x into log e base 3 plus gone outside and x square, both the terms. Okay, so 3 log x, this is log x. Okay friends, this will be your answer. These two terms gone outside, log x, right. Next sum. Please note down. Completed? Thank you. Now, first sum of 31, e raised to x log x cube. There is a two rules of logarithm. As we know, log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. Similarly, log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n. And third one, log e raised to x then or log m raised to n is equal to n log m. These three are very important theorem of logarithm. Here you are given log x raised to 3. So you have to apply theorem number 3. According to this, it will be written like 3 log x. Any doubt? No. Now this is u and this is v. U is equal to e raised to x, v is equal to 3 log x. So du upon dx is equal to, it will remain same, e raised to x, and dv upon dx is equal to 3 1 upon x is equal to 3 upon x, right? dy upon dx is equal to u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx. U, what is u? E raised to x, dv upon dx 3 upon x plus v, what is v? 3 log x, and du upon dx e raised to x. Can you take anything as a common factor? Yes. Can you take anything? 3 and e raised to x both. So 3 e raised to x, then 1 upon x plus log x. Are you getting same answer? Next, some number second of 31st. Y is equal to log into bracket e raised to x raised to n into 3 raised to x. Yes, friend. Now, according to first principle of logarithm, y is equal to log e raised to x plus log x raised to n plus log 3 raised to x. Please check it. Are you sure? Okay. Now we have value of log e raised to x. It means we have derivative value of log e raised to x, and that is 1. So don't change it. Now can you apply rule number 3 for both the terms? Then you write y is equal to log e raised to x plus n log x plus x log e base 3. Think over, please. Is it? Are you getting? Yes, friend? Okay. Now it is a very simple. dy upon dx log e raised to x નું વિકલન શું થશે? 1. As we know, n is constant and derivative of 1 log x is 1 upon x. Derivative of x is 1 and this is constant. So your answer, final answer is please note down. Yes, my dear friend. Now next sum 32nd, 32. Y is equal to e raised to x upon log x. Now we are using rule of division. U is equal to e raised to x and v is equal to log x. What is rule of division? You know that. And du upon dx is equal to same value dv upon dx 1 upon x. Now apply rule of division. Then what is the rule of division? V du upon dx minus u dv upon dx all divided by v square. What is v? Yes, please. What is v? Log x, and du upon dx is same value e raised to x minus u e raised to x dv upon dx, and that is 1 upon x all divided by v square. Can you cancel anything? No. So taking e raised to x as a common factor, this will be log x minus 1 upon x divided by log x. You can write this as a answer. Otherwise, you have to write e raised to x log x minus 1 divided by x log x square. Okay, friends, you are getting these two answers. Next, second of 32, y is equal to 2 raised to x into x square. U is equal to 2 raised to x and v is equal to x square. Du upon dx 2 raised to x log e base 2 according to log a raised to x, derivative of a raised to x, and dv upon dx is equal to 2x. Now we have to apply rule of multiplication, and according to that dy upon dx is equal to u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx. U, what is u? U is a 2 raised to x and dv upon dx 2x plus v. What is v? And du upon dx is 2 raised to x log e base 2. Can you take anything as a common factor? Yes. X into 2 raised to x. So it will be 2 plus x into log e base 2. This is your answer. Now next, third of 32nd, y is equal to e raised to x into x raised to e. U is equal to e raised to x and v is equal to x raised to e. dy upon dx, du upon dx will remain same value, and dv upon dx e x raised to e minus 1. dy upon dx is equal to u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx. U, what is u? E raised to x dv upon dx. dv upon dx e x raised to e minus 1 plus v. What is v? X raised to e du upon dx. Is there any common factor? V raised to x, and yes, you write, take only e raised to x first, then e x raised to e into x raised to minus 1 plus x raised to e. Now you can take x raised to e as a common factor, then e divided by x, because it is a minus with minus power, plus this is your answer. Please note down. Yes, friend. May I rough it now? Okay. Next sum. Please do fast. Take picture. Okay. 33 y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 5 divided by log x. U is equal to x square plus 2x plus 5 and b is equal to log x. What will we have to apply here? Rule of division. Very good. Du upon dx is equal to 2x plus 2 and dv upon dx is equal to 1 upon x. dy upon dx is equal to v du upon dx minus u dv upon dx divided by v square. V, what is v? Log x du upon dx 2x plus 2 minus u. What is u? X square plus 2x plus 5 and dv upon dx divided by v square. Now open the bracket. 2x into log x plus 2 into log x. Log x into 2x, 2x log x, log x into 2, 2 log x, minus x square upon x, minus 2x upon x, minus 5 upon x, divided by v square. 2x into log x plus 2 log x minus x minus 2 minus 5 upon x divided by log x all square is your answer. Next, second of 33. Y is equal to e raised to x plus x square upon 2 minus x. U is equal to e raised to x plus x square and v is equal to 2 minus x. Agree? Du upon dx is equal to e raised to x plus 2x. Now dv upon dx is equal to minus 1. What is the rule of division? V du upon dx minus u dv upon dx all divided by v square. V, what is v? 2 minus x and du upon dx e raised to x plus 2x minus u. U means e raised to x divided by v square. 2 into e raised to x, 2 e raised to x, 2 into 2x, 4x, minus x into e raised to x, minus x e raised to x, minus x into 2x, minus 2x square, minus 1 into minus plus e raised to x plus 2x divided by v square. Can we cancel anything or add anything? This is 2 times e raised to x and this is 1 time. 2 plus 1, it will be 3. 3 e raised to x. This is 4 times 4x and this is 2 times x. 4x plus 2x, it will be 6x minus x e raised to x minus 2x square divided by v is 2 minus x all square. It's your answer. Please note down.